Howdy, folks. We're live at 9:02. I'm going to copy our 10-spot list on the way up because we're battling. There it is. Copy him here. And in a moment, I'm going to paste him over at random to find our winner. But we're battling for another one of Kenneth's Lego sets. Going to paste him in there. 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Which we did. We got a 9er. So we're golden. Good luck, guys. Dennis, round 1. Dave, 2. Dennis, 3. Troy, 4. Dave again on top in round 5. Dennis, 6. Dennis, 7. Dennis again on top in round 8. And our winner is Dennis Hall in at number 7. Congratulations, Dennis. Here's the verification. BDYQRR. Dennis Hall in at number 7 is the champ of Kenneth's Lego Battle. And I'm done at 9:03. As you can see, right there. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, Dennis. See you next time, guys. Thanks.